COVID-19 needs pre- and post-hospitalization monitoring, especially for those in high risk of complications like cancer or heart disease patients. We are a hands-on research team offering Coronario, a mature solution extensible to any mobile platform or cloud environment that aims to reduce the congestion of primary healthcare units, support adaptable sensor combinations, and diagnosis rules that are constantly updated. Our solution includes the following modules: Coronario mobile application on the user side and a network of medical sensors connected to the cloud. The ability of a supervising physician to access the information stored in cloud and communicate with the user through the mobile app for message exchange, updated medical protocol installation, and the deployment of sensor sampling strategy. We expect to restrict efficiently both the spread of COVID-19, the cost of its treatment, and protect high-risk individuals. The next step towards the final product is a trial in real clinical environments, such as primary healthcare units. The platform we propose can also be used for the long-term monitoring of the COVID-19 pandemic evolution, as well as other infections.